Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a fortune teller. So you'll need paper, you'll need some scissors, and you will need a sharpened pencil. So first you're going to start by folding over your paper so it'll make an even square. Make sure to make sure it's even or it might not work. So just do that. And then you are then going to cut where it's not folded over, so that little excess piece. So just cut over that. So then once you've done that, you're going to see it's folded like that. I just folded it over again to make sure it's folded. But then what you're going to do is you're going to fold it back over that way to make like 4 even little sections. And then you're going to flip it over and fold it back again so you'll have 8 sections, if that makes sense. And then you're going to flip it over again, and then you're going to make more sections by making that. You'll have 4 sections on the back, and you will make another 8. So then you're just going to fold it in half. It might work this way automatically, but it might not. So, yeah. So mine wasn't working, as you can see, so I just put it back down and I folded it back over again. And then it worked, so yeah, then you have the fortune teller part. So now we're going to make it a fortune teller. So you can write words, you can write colors, but it's just classic to write colors. So I just wrote colors on each 4 parts. So then I flipped it over, and on the 8 parts, I'm going to write 1 through 8. And then I'm going to turn it up, and I'm going to write fortune. So I only did 2 because I don't want to have you guys wait to write me right away. So there's just 2. And then I finished mine, so there it is. And you can color and decorate it. But yeah, that's a fortune teller.